Today, I'll show you how to sort a table in Confluence. Sorting a table helps you organize information in a clearer order. For example, you can sort tasks by due date, team members by name, priorities from high to low, or project items by status. First, open Confluence and go to the page that contains your table. If the page is already published, click Edit so you can work with the table. Now click anywhere inside the table. Look at the top of each column. In some Confluence tables, you may see sorting options directly in the column header or table toolbar. Choose the column you want to sort. For example, if you want to sort names alphabetically, select the name column. If you want to sort dates, select the due date column. Now look for the sort option. You may be able to choose sort ascending or sort descending. Ascending usually means A to Z, smallest to largest, or oldest to newest. Descending usually means Z to A, largest to smallest, or newest to oldest. Click the sorting option you want. Confluence will reorder the table rows based on that column. If your table is inside a Confluence database, open the database view and use the sort option at the top. Choose the field you want to sort by, then select ascending or descending order. You can also add multiple sorts if needed. For example, you can sort first by priority, then by due date. If you are using a normal static table and do not see any sorting option, your Confluence version or table type may not support sorting by default. In that case, you can use a Confluence database, copy the table into a spreadsheet, or ask your admin about a table sorting app from the Atlassian Marketplace. After sorting the table, review the rows to make sure the order looks correct. Then click Publish or Update to save the page, and that's it. You now know how to sort a table in Confluence. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.